Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change wallpaper on home screen and lock screen of Vivo Y29. If you're using Vivo Y29 and now you want to change your wallpaper of home screen or lock screen, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to press and hold your empty place on home screen, and from here just select wallpapers and you will get the pop-up menu of this tab. You just have to select the wallpaper which you want to choose as your home screen and lock screen wallpaper. As I'm going to select the second one, just tap on it and then it will be set on your home screen and lock screen wallpaper. So after that, there's another way. You just have to open Themes app in your phone. Here's the Themes app and just tap on it. Then tap on the local in the bottom right corner, tap on it. Then select local wallpapers. From here, you will get all of wallpapers on your phone. There are some system wallpapers and some downloaded wallpapers. If you want to download more, you just have to tap on download more, and here you will get all of your wallpapers which you can easily download or buy. And after that, you just have to select the wallpaper which you want to set as your home screen and lock screen. As I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it, then select apply, then select lock screen and home screen, and there are different features. If you want to just set on your lock screen, so just tap on it. If home screen, just tap on the second one. But I'm going to select this for both. But if you want to crop your wallpaper, just tap on crop wallpaper, and then you can easily crop your wallpaper. And after when you're done, you just have to tap on apply, and then select on which one you want to set your wallpaper. And that's how you can easily set your wallpaper. There is a third way. You just have to open your phone settings. From settings, just scroll down and look for this option, which is home screen, lock screen, and wallpaper. Just tap on it. From here, you will get the wallpaper option. Tap on it, and then you will get your all wallpapers. There are some system wallpapers and the downloaded wallpaper. Just select one which you want to set as I have selected the randomly this one. Just tap on apply, then select, and after that your wallpaper will be changed. So that's how you can easily change your lock screen and home screen wallpaper on Vivo Y29. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.